All right, so this one is what I call working in 3-dimension, or the 3Ds of tissue work with this, which is depth, direction, and duration. So depth would be positioning his leg in a way that I can get the right depth. So with the quad, the more relaxed the tissue, the straighter the leg, the deeper I can go. If I take his leg off, that tension of the quad, as I lengthen it, is going to push me more superficial, right? So I just have to decide how much depth do I need. Once I reach my depth, now I have to think direction. So once I have this tissue that I want to grab, I can adjust my finger in the direction in which I want to work. So now we have depth, we have direction, and the biggest one of all, duration. Holding, and it's hurry up and wait. Now as I hurry up and wait, I'm really feeling for tissue response, right? I might feel him consciously relaxing the tissue. There's just little intrinsic things I'll feel for, and I might even very slowly play with the tension. So I'll kind of drive his quad into a little more tension. Maybe I like that a little bit better. And while I'm under here, let me reinforce my knee by your foot. Start to drive into my hand there. So I'm having him contract. I'm maintaining the isometric, I'm maintaining my contact, and slowly relax. Yep. Just like letting air out of a tire. Now let's say I want to move. When I want to move, I'm not going to even pick my contact point up. I might just readjust a little bit. Or if my hand's tired and I need a break, I'm going to have him load this tissue for me. Go ahead and contract, push in. So right there, notice where I want to be. And shake off my hand, I can move to another contact. And relax. And now I'm back in. So that helps me maintain some level of action happening in that tissue while I adjust my contact point.